Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So the first thing, we need to divide by 1 over cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So 1 over cosine x squared we transform into secant of x squared. This one we need to transform tan x squared plus 1 because this is about secant of x squared. This one that is about tan x squared. Now we can do about factorization by tan x squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over the square root of a squared plus 1 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 over a squared plus 1 tan t squared. This one and this one we cancel. Tan t squared plus 1 we change for secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here, and du that is about this one. So we simplify, and that is about tan t squared. This one that is about secant of t squared. And now we simplify. The integration of this one we got about t. The next one about t, that is about this one. So we put the square root of a squared plus 1 go to the left. And we got about t equals to octave of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about tan x. Now let's go to the next one. So we need to divide by 1 over sine x squared on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So we have the formula. This one, that is about cosecant of x squared. This one, we need to transform this one. This one, that is about cosine x squared. So cosine x squared, we can do about factorization. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of x squared dx. Because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u, and we got about u squared. This one we change for negative du. Now we can use about interpretation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over the square root of a squared plus 1 tan t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. I forget. This one going here, and we have secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one going here. Du, that is about this one. And now we simplify. This is about secant of t squared. So we simplify and we got this one. And we have negative t over the square root of a squared plus 1. And I will put about c. So about t, that is about this one. So I will put this one go to the left. And we got about t equal to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.